When installing larger tires, one necessary modification is a heavy-duty tire carrier. Our Jeep initially came with a basic aftermarket carrier which eventually started to produce annoying rattles. Welcome, this is Scott from Say Yes Outdoors. Go ahead and click that subscribe button now. For this upgrade, we opted for the Smittybilt Pivot Heavy Duty Oversized Tire Carrier. We like this option because of its lightweight aluminum construction and reasonable price. Once you've removed your old tire carrier, the first step involves supporting your tailgate by placing an object beneath it to prevent it from becoming misaligned. You can also use painter's tape to secure it in place. Next, remove the plastic hinge covers. You can do this carefully with a screwdriver or a trim kit removal tool. Now, take out the 4 hinge bolts, 2 on top and 2 on the bottom, and set them aside for future use. Remove the 3 bolts securing the hinge to the body of the Jeep, starting with the outer bolt and then the 2 inside. Repeat this process for the bottom hinge. With these steps complete, you are now ready to begin installing your new Smittybilt tire carrier. Use the factory hinge bolts to secure it. I recommend starting the installation with a hex bolt drill bit and using a torque ratchet to ensure everything is tightened to the required specifications. Once you've attached the carrier frame to the tailgate, begin assembling the carrier itself. The taillight bracket holder should be placed behind the tailgate mounting bracket. The tire carrier itself should be placed on the front of the tailgate mounting bracket, securing all 3 pieces together. After completing this, attach the tire carrier bracket to the door mount using the 8 provided bolts highlighted by the yellow circles. It's time to install the rear brake light. One important tip is to simply let the wire run directly to the brake light and it will fit without any issues. The result should look like this. Thank you for watching Say Yes Outdoors. If you enjoyed our video, please click the logo here to subscribe.